to actually use the OP200 hoist, you use your controller. Okay, so we've got our up and down, so pretty self-explanatory. Now these things here, we don't use them. They're not, I mean, you can press them, but they're not relevant. It's if you've got a different kind of cradle attachment that you use them. And then you'll notice you've also got, that moves it across, you can move it back. Okay. If you're tall enough, you can also push the base unit a lot. It makes a bit more of a noise when you do that. But what you definitely don't want to do is start pulling it by this. Okay, because if you do, you can see here, these bits will slowly get wear and tear. Okay, so whatever you do, don't pull it by the fabric here. Okay. With this hoist, as you can kind of see, it does have a great capacity. It moves across the whole room, so lots of flexibility here. Okay. Sometimes that can be a bit of a risk, so you need to make sure you're not pushing it too hard. And similarly, you don't want to sort of just leave it hanging there in the middle of the room, because again, someone could knock their head. Okay, so make sure you keep it out of the way when it's not in use. Generally speaking, tend to just put it back in the charging corner. Okay, and